Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami. Please do not unfasten your seatbelts until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, and also keep the aisle clear until we are parked at the gate. After the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, check seat pockets, overhead bins, and closets for your personal belongings. Be careful when opening overhead bins because items may have moved and could possibly fall out on you or someone seated near you. As this is your first point of entry into the United States, all customers must clear U.S. Customs and Immigration. You may now use cell phones, but only if they are accessible from your seat.